Good morning, sir. You're Christopher Davis. Mr. Davis, did you get someone hired?
I brought the three pieces of the three attorneys.
Who'd you talk to?
Talked to this the person right here, Crenshaw.
Okay.
I was trying to get a court-appointed attorney.
What other two did you talk to?
Mitchell Woods and Brett Jones.
Oh, rookie mistake in court. I sort of tried. Doesn't cut it. When a judge gives you homework like contacting 3 real lawyers, it's not a suggestion. It's an order. And not doing it. Yeah, that's the legal equivalent of ghosting your boss. Spoiler, judges don't like being ghosted.
You actually talked to those people?
Talked to Crenshaw's office, but I couldn't get a hold of him. I mean, he was supposed to call me back, but I thought I was going to get a court-appointed attorney.
Well, when you were here last time, I told you had to work on trying to hire your own lawyer, and you needed to actually speak with 3 lawyers.
Yes, ma'am.
So, where's this Mitchell Woods?
I didn't speak to him. I just spoke to the one, but I was supposed to bring 3 attorneys up here for you.
No, it's not just I'm going to write down 3 names. I said go talk to 3 attorneys, at least 3 attorneys, and try to hire them. It's not just I'm going to give you 30 days and you come back and you write down some names, because Mitchell Woods is probably Clint Mitchell Woods, who is a judge down the hall. So you didn't talk to him as a lawyer. Brack Jones has been retired for many, many years, doesn't practice law. So you didn't do what I asked you to do. Hang on. You didn't do what I asked you to do. And so the result of that is I could put you in jail for not following the court order.
Notice how she slipped that in. I could put you in jail. That's not a bluff. This is what lawyers call judicial discretion. Translation, the judge's power. And if you play games, she can and will use it. Imagine being told you might spend 30 days in jail just because you didn't pick up the phone. Yikes.
It's not just a game to go say I did what you told me to, because you didn't. I'm going to reset your case for 30 days. You need to try to hire a lawyer. If you don't hire one, you better start calling this week actual lawyers that practice law and make appointments and visit with them. All right? Because I've been here a long time. I know who the lawyers are around here, so you're not going to get one over me by just writing down some names. Step in front of the clerk and get the reset notice.
Oh no. Court 101. Do not show up in novelty shirts. Judges expect respect. And yes, your wardrobe counts. Wearing a fart joke. T2 felony court. That's like showing up to a job interview in pajamas. Funny to your friends, but deadly serious in front of a judge.
Best farter. That's great. No, it says, I can read it. I see what it says at the bottom. You're in felony court. You need to dress appropriately to felony court, and that's not appropriate. Did you get someone hired? I can't hear you. Okay. Okay, who else did you talk to? I can't hear you. Okay. All right, so why didn't you call some others if they didn't call you back? None of them, I don't believe that for a second. None of them answered their phone? Okay. How many others did you call? I can't hear you. That's it. So you called 2 that didn't answer their phone, 1 that didn't call you back, and you didn't think to keep calling and talk to at least 3. You didn't try if you only did that. This isn't that hard. The point isn't, just like you just heard me tell the other guy, the point isn't to play a game and act like you call and write 3 names down. The point is to actually hire someone. And you can't actually hire someone unless you really try. I'm going to reset your case for 30 days. You need to get someone hired, or you need to actually talk to 3 lawyers. And if you have to call 20 to get that done, then call 20. Start this week. Don't wait till the week before court, because they are in court. These are just normal common sense things, right? All right, step in front of the clerk. If you don't do that, the next time your bond will be revoked and you'll go back to jail.
Did you catch that? The word bond revoked is code for a pack of toothbrush. You're going to jail. The judge is giving these defendants chance after chance. But the rope is running out. Audience check-in. What excuse would you even try here?
Mr. Mack, your attorney's not going to be here this morning, but I need to talk to you about why you can't keep your drug patch on. Why can't you keep your drug patch on? Everybody that has a drug patch sleeps on it. All right? So this has been going on now for quite some time. I'm going to have you tested this morning. You've tested negative in court, but if you don't keep that drug patch on after today, if there's an issue and it doesn't get tested, I'm going to assume it's because it's positive. Your bond will be raised, there will be a warrant for your arrest, and you will go to jail. So you need to figure out, ask them what you need to do, but nobody has had as many issues as you with this drug patch. Do you understand? Have a seat in the jury box, we'll get you tested. So you tested negative. Do you have the patch on right now? Okay.
I will return tomorrow.
All right. I want you to go get it changed. I do not want it to look like that the next time you go in there. If you have to put something else around it, then that's what you need to do. Wrap it in a ace bandit. I don't care what you have to do. But that one's probably not going to be testable just like the rest of them. So this is your last option to have one that looks like that. Figure it out or your bond's going to be raised. Understand? Step in front of, you don't need to get reset, right?
On the trial.
Stay in touch with Mr. Kimler, and then we'll see you back at your next court date.
This patch drama is fascinating.
Quick breakdown. Drug patches are used to monitor substance use over time. But here's the kicker. Every excuse this guy gives makes it look worse. If the patch keeps falling off, the judge assumes it's not a coincidence and there's a consequence. Higher bond, a warrant, and straight back to jail.
You're free to go. All right. Good morning, sir. How are you? Good. And you're Mason Crooks? And Mr. Crooks, you're on probation for theft of property, a third-degree felony. And I received an administrative hearing. So you've been charged with, it looks like another offense of assault, family violence maybe. But it looks like they're not pursuing that. Is that still the position? Are you working? Why aren't you working?
The state of Texas took my driver's license away because I take seizure medicine.
So do you not live anywhere where you could get to a job?
Job applications out for the tire shop and driver house to where I can work now. We haven't had a vehicle about a month.
Anywhere.
It has, and you can ask Mr. Burrow, it has been a problem.
You owe so much money. I mean,
He was afraid I wasn't going to be able to get it caught up either.
I know. I mean,
And maybe told me
Financial.
the other man's going to buy a property when it gets finally cleared. For now, the bulldozer's there.
I think the thing of it is, Judge, is that Mr. Crooks, he's been on probation for 2.5 years, being courtesy supervised over in Orange County, and he seems to be coming up with every excuse in the book. And Orange County is just at the point where they're just tired of dealing with it, and they're almost ready to return his case back to Jefferson County, based off of the offense. That is his uncle.
right.
And so we submitted an order of amended conditions, so, just.
The no contact. I got that. Have there been any other issues since the no contact, since that was signed?
So, not since the no contact was signed. Had an issue with walking by the uncle's house, and the uncle called into the probation department over in Orange County, reporting them, saying that, he's taunting or whatnot. And I advised Mr. Crooks to take another route instead of just going by there.
How far apart do y'all live? So why would you have been walking by his house?
I had to walk through the neighborhood to get to my direction of home.
From Orange to Mauriceville?
Yes, ma'am.
I bet there's a number,
Yeah, there's,
any number of other ways that you can go if you're walking from Orange to Mauriceville instead of in front of your uncle's house, who we're having all these issues with.
Yes, ma'am.
That's,
Um,
do you
I
understand?
made a mistake.
Well, but you keep making mistakes, and your mistake's gonna cost you potentially 2 to 10 years in prison. Because this is gonna be the last time we're in court talking about this, all right? One more call about you walking by a house, showing up somewhere where they are, sending a message, whatever it is, however it is, then you're gonna be back in here.
That right there's the hammer drop. Judges often give probation as a mercy option, but mess it up, and you're looking at years behind bars. Notice her tone. This isn't advice anymore. It's a final warning. Zero tolerance. Audience question. At this point, do you think Crooks is going to sink or swim?